Welcome back. Part 2 of this engine. Stripped down. We're still stripping down. It's been soaking for probably 500-600 days now. I'm pretty confident we're going to get it to turn. God, it's a big engine, isn't it? Checklists. Checklists. We've got checklists. Check all devices are fully charged. Check all devices have space on SD cards. Yes. Check microphones are switched on. Check all devices are recording. You're recording, so you can see your flashy light. You, I'm guessing, are recording. You better be recording. Today's mission is to just get it stripped, ready to clean and paint. So let's get after it. Here's a closer look at the engine condition of it. It's believe it or not, I did clean it once before, but it's got all this aluminium dust all over it now. So, and we'll just have to ignore that. I did drop the engine on its side one time, but we'll just ignore we saw that. But low mileage engine. We'll just get her stripped down, clean her up. Some parts will be used, some parts won't be used. We'll take some parts off the other engine. Right, let's see if we can get this baby to spin. Let's see if this will rotate. Right. We cracked it. We cracked it. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Marvel Miss Royale to the rescue. Marvel Mystery. It's a mystery. The more I turn that, the more it's going to start spewing all that Marvel Mystery Oil out. So what I'll do is I shall take the cover off of this again. And then once it comes out, it can spew into the head, and then it can work its way back now into the pan, which is going to come off today as well. We're going to take the pan off. All coming off. We are going to get this baby painted today. We got paint coming in today for this. Let's get this fan off, because I'm not a fan. Are you gonna turn? Whew, there's no chance of you turning. There is. No. 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 You are not going to turn, are you? Replace that water pump. Water pump. Pump in. Water pump's pumping. Right, let's take this inlet off. Let's see what's going to be involved in taking this inlet off. We got fasteners there, one there, one there, one there, one there, one there. We're going to go for our 13 again. 13 it is, baby. How handy. It's a 13 on one and a 10 on the other. How handy is that? That's the last we're holding on, and you see it's already cracked off. So, I presume all this is just gonna fall off, and it'll probably land on my trainers. But there's going to be some hoses there I have forgotten to disconnect. and I'll just be hanging by hoses. Most likely. Let's just get all these hoses, extra hoses off that are not needed. Right, so here's the water pump. These are the fasteners to get it off. And it is just full. Well, it doesn't look too bad there, but I scraped it out. But this looks like it could be one holding it on. Oh, look at that, that's a lovely. Yeah, we'll have to replace this because that water pump is locked up tighter than county jail. And I ain't kidding you. Right. So, let's see. Another clip. Off. Yes. You know what, I've only picked up one sponsor today. There's a 10 on one side and a 13 on the other. It's all I've needed. Oh man, what a mess we're making. Yeah. Yeah. Yes! Woohoo! Arwen to the rescue! I'm going ahead, yeah. Inside of space. Do 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 do. Well, here we go. Is it all stripped down? Oopsie. And it is pretty big. Well, we still have the pan. We still have the pan on. Maybe I should take the pan off. It's a lot easier to clean with the pan off, I suppose. Let's get cracking. Right, that's after the first pass. Got all the major stuff off. Got all the major stuff off. Now I've just got the nooks and crannies to do. Oh, I know. It's looking pretty good there. One off. That's the one that's gone a heap of chunks of it. I'll just see if it does it. I very much doubt it does. Oh my god, I did not expect that. It's looking not bad. Right, gear wash down. Right, we are well prepped up. We are ready for paint. Today I'm going to be using this XHT paint, extreme high temperature paint. So I've used this in the past and I've gotten very good results. So a couple of light coats of this, and then we will use a clear gloss lacquer coat, whatever you want to call it, over the top, and that'll help protect it and give it a lovely shine. Light coats, light coats. I'm not going to bother masking any of this off because I will just go over it with a whirly woo and clean it up. We've done 3 coats now. Now, I'm not quite happy with the colour, so I've decided to go over it with this Plasticoat metallic grey. Now, I have used this before in an intake and it worked really, really well, and it hasn't flaked or chipped or, you know, melted off or anything. So I've given 1 coat of this already. Let's do it with another coat. We will leave that to dry 10-15 minutes, 20 minutes maybe, touch dry, and then we'll start going over the clear coat. Yep. Bada bada boom. Right. We are dry. We've got 2 coats on here. We're dry now. So we are going to go with our XHT clear coat, high temp. There it is. Oh, come on. Come on. There we go. Oh, no. Right. La, 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 la. Yo, 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 yo. Oh. Now, you are supposed to spray this between 17 and 21 degrees. It's probably about 5. Maybe less. But anyway, it's an engine. I don't think it really messy. Hey, 1, 2, 3. Hey, oh, hey, oh.
Hello, hello, you're a crazy doggy. You're a crazy doggy. You miss me? Have you missed me? You miss me? Yes. Yes, I know. I know. I know. I'd miss me too. I would miss me too. What is it?
So, if you want to see the rest of this build, please follow me on the next episode. Please click the subscribe button, it helps me out a great deal. And like the video if you like it. And ring that bell if you want to see more notifications of other episodes that are coming up. Thank you, and we'll see you again next time.